Hello everyone, this question paper was held on 28th of August 2022 on Sunday at 8:15 am for stenotypist post by Chandigarh High Court. Now I am going to start the dictation. Start. Although the past history of the respondent and even his conduct in relation to possesses concerning the present case give rise to a few questions, but the strong contravailing factor in the present case in the prima facie indication that he is being sought to be framed by concoctions and baseless stories stop. Another factor noticeable is that the respondent has not been involved in any NDPS Act case or any akin offence in the past stop. Interestingly, it is noticed from the material placed on record that nothing of any contraband article has been recovered from the respondent or from any place under his exclusive control stop. This factor further adds on to the doubt as to whether the respondent had at all been indulgent in narcotics or any contraband question mark. That being the position, the view as taken by the High Court cannot be said to be an altogether unacceptable or impossible view of the matter stop. Moreover, it cannot be said that the respondent was consciously seeking to abscond on 23/02/2021 merely because he was found in the night at Kolkata stop. In any case, the aspect relating to tendency to flee has been duly taken care of with the conditions as imposed by the High Court stop. The other submissions with reference to the decision in the case of Prasanta Kumar Sarkar hardly make out a case for interference, partially looking to the nature of evidence sought to be adduced by the prosecution against the respondent stop. In this regard, we would hasten to observe that apart from the stringent conditions already imposed by the High Court, it is always open for the prosecution to seek imposition of any further condition or even to seek cancellation of the bail granted to the respondent in case of any fault on his part in due adherence to the conditions already imposed stop para. In view of the above, we find no reason to consider interference in the order passed by the High Court granting bail to the respondent with specific conditions stop para. Before concluding on the matter, we deem it appropriate to observe that none of the comments herein would be of any bearing on the final view to be taken by the trial count after the trial, because the observations herein are only of prima facie view and that too so far respondent for the purpose of the question of grant of bail to the respondent stop.